The study of animals. Welcome to the fascinating world of zoology, the scientific study of animals. Zoology is a branch of biology that deals with the structure, behavior, evolution, classification, and distribution of animals, both living and extinct. In this video, we will explore the diverse and amazing world of animals, from the tiniest insects to the largest mammals. Animals are an integral part of our planet's ecosystem, and studying them helps us understand their role in the environment and how they interact with other living organisms. Zoologists study animals in their natural habitats in laboratories and in zoos and aquariums. The history of zoology dates back to ancient times, when humans first started observing and classifying animals. Aristotle, the famous Greek philosopher, was one of the first zoologists who classified animals based on their physical characteristics. Later, in the 18th and 19th centuries, the development of the microscope and other scientific tools led to significant advancements in the field of zoology. Today, zoology is a vast and diverse field that encompasses many subdisciplines, such as ethology, ecology, genetics, and evolutionary biology. Geologists use a variety of techniques and tools to study animals, including DNA analysis, behavioral observation, and computer modeling. In the next segments of this video, we will delve deeper into the fascinating world of zoology and explore the different aspects of animal life, from their anatomy and physiology to their behavior and ecology. The study of animals. One of the primary focuses of zoology is the study of animal anatomy and physiology. Anatomy refers to the physical structure of an animal, while physiology deals with the functions and processes that occur within the body. Animals come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes, and their anatomy reflects their adaptations to their environment and lifestyle. For example, birds have lightweight, hollow bones that allow them to fly, while whales have streamlined bodies and flippers that help them swim through the water. The study of animal physiology involves understanding how different organs and systems work together to maintain an animal's health and survival. For example, the circulatory system is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, while the respiratory system is responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. Zoologists also study the nervous system, which controls an animal's behavior and responses to its environment. The brain and nervous system are complex and fascinating areas of study, and scientists are still uncovering new information about how they work. In addition to studying the anatomy and physiology of individual animals, zoologists also look at how different species are related and how they have evolved over time. By comparing the physical characteristics and genetic makeup of different animals, scientists can better understand the relationships between different species and how they have adapted to their environments. In the next segment of this video, we will explore the behavior and communication of animals and how they interact with each other and their environment. The study of animals. Animals exhibit a wide range of behaviors, from simple reflexes to complex social interactions. Studying animal behavior is an important part of zoology, as it helps us understand how animals interact with each other and their environment. One area of animal behavior that is of particular interest to zoologists is communication. Animals use a variety of methods to communicate with each other, including vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals. For example, birds use complex songs to attract mates and defend their territory, while bees use dance movements to communicate the location of food sources to other members of their colony. Some animals, such as elephants and whales, can communicate over long distances using low-frequency sounds that can travel through water and over land. Zoologists also study animal social behavior, such as how animals form groups and interact with each other. Social behavior can vary widely between different species, from the solitary lifestyle of some big cats to the highly social behavior of primates and dolphins. Understanding animal behavior and communication is important for a variety of reasons. For example, it can help us develop better conservation strategies for endangered species, as well as improve our understanding of animal welfare in captivity. In the next segment of this video, we will explore the ecology of animals, including their interactions with other species and their environment. The study of animals. Ecology is the study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment. In zoology, understanding animal ecology is essential for understanding how animals survive and thrive in their natural habitats. Animals are part of complex ecosystems, and their interactions with other species and their environment can have far-reaching effects. For example, predators can influence the behavior and population dynamics of their prey, while herbivores can shape the composition of plant communities. Zoologists study animal ecology at many different levels, from the individual behavior of animals to the dynamics of entire ecosystems. They use a variety of tools and techniques to study animal ecology, including field observations, experiments, and computer modeling. One important area of animal ecology is conservation biology, which focuses on protecting endangered species and their habitats. Zoologists work closely with conservationists and policymakers to develop strategies for preserving biodiversity and protecting ecosystems. Understanding animal ecology is also important for managing human impacts on the environment. For example, studying the effects of pollution on animal populations can help us develop better strategies for reducing pollution and protecting the health of ecosystems. In a final segment of this video, we will explore the evolution of animals and how they have adapted to their environments over time. The study of animals. The study of animal evolution is a fascinating area of zoology that seeks to understand how animals have adapted to their environments over millions of years. Evolution is the process by which species change over time in response to changes in their environment and other factors. Zoologists use a variety of tools and techniques to study animal evolution, including genetics, comparative anatomy, and the fossil record. By comparing the physical characteristics and genetic makeup of different species, scientists can better understand how animals are related and how they have evolved over time. One important concept in animal evolution is natural selection, which is the process by which certain traits become more or less common in a population over time. Traits that help an animal survive and reproduce in its environment are more likely to be passed on to future generations, while traits that are less advantageous may become less common or disappear altogether. Zoologists also study the role of genetic drift, which is the random changes in gene frequencies that can occur in small populations. Genetic drift can have significant effects on the evolution of a species, and understanding its role is important for predicting how populations will change over time. Studying animal evolution is important for many reasons. It can help us understand the origins of different species and how they are related, as well as how animals have adapted to changing environments over time. It can also help us predict how species will respond to future environmental changes, such as climate change. In conclusion, zoology is a diverse and fascinating field that encompasses many different areas of study, from animal anatomy and physiology to behavior, ecology, and evolution. By studying animals, we can better understand the natural world and our place in it.